Okay, so we're going to focus a little bit on grammar close editing and compre, but after that, we're going to do a little bit of a recap for your oral, okay? All right, how to handle grammar close. Javen, could you please, oh my God, the feed picture is horrible. Javen, could you please read these 4 lines for me?
Read through the list of helping words given. Read through the passage, paying attention to the words around the blank. That may be close to the answer. Fill in the blanks with the answer that you think is more appropriate. After filling in all the blanks, read through the passage with the answers and check that it makes sense with no careless mistake.
Okay, so I've already done this to you many, many times. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to read this passage for you, all right, without the answers, and then we're going to go through. Always do this. All right, so number one, let me just start doing this. All right, let's start. Hang on. Winters were always bitter and harsh in Jessica's hometown. There was dash severe snowstorm looming with strong winds, and the visibility was greatly reduced. Jessica and her siblings dashed to stay away from school because of their threatening blizzard. All the children in the village were forced to stay at home as the schools were closed. Dash of sheer boredom, Jessica and her siblings had to think of ways to occupy themselves. They attempted to entertain themselves dash some board games in their cottage on the hill. After playing the games for dash time, they decided to venture out of their cottage to sculpt a snowman. In no time, the cold and chill sent Jessica's siblings scrambling back Dash to their house. However, Jessica was oblivious to the brewing storm. Dash was sculpting a snowman. A howling gust of wind swept her off the pew. She fell heavily on her back. She yelled for help frantically. Dash, her hoarse voice was drowned out by the swirling wind. All of a sudden, she heard some voices. A great sense of relief surged Dash her numb and cold body. She knew that she was safe. So this passage is actually adapted from the Wintry Solstice and the other short stories. All right, so I'm going to call you guys as I call your name.
Can I go first?
Okay,
Can I go third? I'll go third.
Bro,
I
can
got
you
this.
stop pointing the damn gun at me?
On number
Okay,
three.
Arman. Winters were always bitter and harsh in Jessica's hometown. There was
There was over.
wrong.
Arman, don't worry. I experienced it every Zoom
There
lesson.
was A. There was A. What the shit?
All right, number two. Can I have Sini? Jessica and her siblings.
Jessica and her siblings had to stay away from the school because of the threatening blizzard. F.
All right, thank you. Very
Yeah, I'll
good.
be third. I'll be third.
Javen, all the children in the village.
All the children in the village and were forced to stay at home as the schools were closed.
Tsiang.
Okay. Out of sheer boredom, Jessica and her siblings had to think of way to occupy themselves.
Thank you. Very good. Haley.
You're
Haley?
muted.
Bro, you're muted.
Bro, they attempted to entertain themselves. Hugh.
Thank you. With you entertain yourself with. All right. Sorry. Okay.
Stupid.
With some board games. All right. The next person. I think I've done all 5 already. Back to Aiman.
I put L. Ow.
Right, L. After some time, they decided to venture out of their cottage to sculpt a snowman. In no time, the cold and chill sent Jessica's siblings scrambling back. Who's going number 2? Sini?
Into. Okay.
Mhm.
Sure, I can replace.
Sini?
No, but I think we should be quiet, bro.
Sini?
No, in no time, the cold and chill sent Jessica's siblings scrambling back into their house. G.
All right, into. All right, after Sini is Javen.
Me. Wait. While she was sculpturing a snowman, a howling gust of wind swept off her feet.
While,
P. Haley raised her hand.
while. Yes,
I
Haley.
very good eyesight.
Can I go toilet?
Walan eh.
All right. After
Finger
Jay,
two, finger two, finger two.
Yeah, it's B after.
So I cannot.
nine.
Cannot.
Bruh.
Xiang, she yelled for help frantically.
She yelled for help frantically, but her hoarse voice was drowned out by the
Swirling wind. Thank you. Next one. Haley.
Me.
All of a
All
sudden,
of a
she heard
sudden,
some voices.
She heard some voices. A great sense of relief surged through her numb and cold body. She knew she was safe. Okay, can I go now?
No,
No! Stay in
Haley,
class.
how much you got?
I got 9.
Okay. Haley, how much?
I'm so proud of
10.
myself.
Huh?
10.
All right, Haley, go toilet.
Yeah.
Jay, how much you get?
9.
I'm got 9. And Sini?
Fire.
9.
9. Xiang?
10.
Well done. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of editing.
Where did Haley and Iman go? And where did Siyang go? Oh, he's there.
Xiang, can you read this for me?
Read what?
That editing. Oh.
Tips to handle editing questions. The one to examine the passage. A passage as a whole. While you can find mistakes just by looking at sentences individually, there are instances where you need to consider what other parts of the text are saying. So don't read through a passage. For the first time, write down the mistakes, use pen and pencil. When you read through it the second time, confirm the errors you already spotted and do a close reading of the lines. Not find any mistakes. Remember to write your answers with a pen this time. Check your answers. Reread the answers and make sure that you did not make any careless mistakes. So I said that there.
All right, thank you. So it's very, very important when it comes to editing that you examine in, you read the passage at least, and make sure check. All right, so let's come back to Aiman. Aiman, could you please tell me the first thing that comes to your mind when we think about wolves?
Wait, let me flip to that page. The first thing that comes to our mind when we think about wolves in their loud house at full moon. Well, these creatures were these creatures are thought to be one of the most ferocious predators in the animal kingdom.
Correct. It is not were, but it is. Sorry. Wait, I got a message. Why is my camera off?
Yeah, why is it off?
The camera is broken. Wait, give me a second.
Maybe the camera doesn't like because I'm wearing makeup.
Yeah,
Mm.
I would do.
I feel so sad. I thought my makeup looks nice, then you all say not nice. So sad.
You're a bit too much.
Really?
Yeah, you look like a clown if too much.
I look like what?
Bro did not hesitate.
like
You
what?
look like a
Straight to the
clown if
point.
you have too much.
students.edu.sg.com. My
Sini, what do you think?
6 RP.
Sini? Where is she? Why she went?
Ow. She go toilet on her day. I don't know.
Come on, I'm getting a girl's opinion.
What
Hey,
opinion?
What do you think, Sini?
Yeah, what do you think
You mean
about her
12?
makeup?
Sorry?
They miss correct. I mean 12.
I can't hear you. What?
You mean 12 for 12.
Can you tell? What?
Bro, stop yapping, start clapping.
Sorry, I don't understand what you said, Sini.
Wait, why are you asking me to unmute?
Oh, I asked you, what do you think of my makeup today?
To be honest, nothing to say.
Is that bad?
I asked her that just now and she said, I have nothing to say.
So sad. I feel so sad.
Yeah, teacher, I think you look better without makeup.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the whole class has gone mad.
Sure, I like
No.
feet. I like feet.
To be honest, you still look good in both.
Oh, thank
Wait,
you.
but why is your friend wearing Barcelona?
That's my friend. He's a Barca fan.
All right, so can we look at this question?
Why you have a picture of your
Okay,
friends?
everyone hush.
Keep quiet lah!
Everyone hush. Javen, you're very noisy, Javen. You really need to cool your jets before I put you in the waiting room. All right, the first thing that comes to our mind when we think about wolves is their loud howls. Well, these creatures are thought, because why am I doing present tense? Because can you see it's talking about wolves in general. Therefore, if you say past tense, that means last time we think like that, now we don't. So that's the reason why we use the present tense. Thank you, Ayman, for this answer. All right, number 2, can I have senior, number 2. They live within the same group for you're number 2.
They live within the same group for most of their lives.
Thank you.
Start.
Not many, but most. Thank you. Number 3, Javen. The members of the group.
The members of the group cooperate in hunting, feeding, and caring for the young and defending for their territory.
Territory. Thank you. Number 4, Sia. Defending their territory.
Territory from other pets.
Okay, a lot of them would say from, but it is actually defending it against. A lot of the PSLE students would say this as well. So guys, you need
I
to
thought it's two other packs.
No, it's against other backs. You're defending because of the word defending. So if I change the word to say protecting, then I'll say protecting their territory from. So Tsiang, do you understand? Because if the word is protecting, then I will use protecting from other packs. Because I'm using the word defending, therefore the answer cannot be from, but has to be against. Guys, are you listening to what I'm saying? This is important. I repeat, because of the word defending, which is a contextual clue, I have to use the word against. If I change the defending word and I used it as protecting, then I will say protect from, which is what Tsiang's answer is. So a lot of PSLE students think of defending as protecting and use the word from. Protect from, defend against. Get it? I repeat, protect from, defend against. All right, number 15, Haley, this is your turn. Could you please tell me, in pack of wolves, only the alpha males and females are?
Permitted.
Thank you. Past tense. Permitted. So, all right, only the alpha males are permitted to breed, while any attempts to do so by others are punished. Imam, generally wolves are very,
Athletic.
how do I spell that?
ATH
ATH.
LETIC.
Athletic. So ATH, not AL. All right, L, okay. And then it is LETIC. Okay, so that's one mistake. All right, let's go to the next one. Sini, capable of incredible endurance, such as?
Such as pursuing.
All
Shut
right,
up, your mouth. Pursuing.
Oh, chill.
Pursuing.
Chill.
Okay, so when you say pursuing, it's UR and there is no E. Okay, so these are some mistakes. Pursuing a prey over long distances or plowing through chest high. All right, the next person, Tsuyang, number 18. Javen, number 18.
I thought after her is Aiman.
No, after Sini is you. Quick, number 18.
True. Wait, let me see. Still.
Still
Still.
quite capable of ripping apart? No.